All right. So to answer your question, if you want to see what is playing, we go to or expand the channel section. And right now we only have one TV that is active. The other TV, I will go into details in a minute, but we can click on it. We click on, we go edit. Right now we have loaded all of these playlists. So it's going to start at the top and it's going to play each individual playlist and then it's going to loop. So you can see social media, local custom, show one, show two, seasonal again, custom, local content, social media, back and forth. So in order to see what is in each of these playlists, we go to the playlist section and there you can see show one, show two. If you want to see what is in it, this is the stuff because it's grayed out. These are the ones that we change on a hopefully weekly basis. And you can see here's the shows, and then whatever is in this box on the very right is overlaid on top. So that's where your ticker is and your logo. So if you wanted to change the logo, you mentioned that, you just click on it and then we can hit edit. This brings up our graphic design engine. So at the very bottom here, you can see the ticker and the logo. If you click on it, it becomes the active layer. So if I click on the ticker, I can now edit all the text that's on the ticker. I just change the text to whatever I want and hit save, and it will update automatically. If you want to change the logo, you click on the logo. Now it's the active item, and this menu on the left has changed, and it only gives you things that are related to pictures. So if you want to change the logo, you would just hit image, find the logo locally on your computer. So you would go upload, find it on your computer, and hit OK, and then it would bring it back up into your database. It's going to replace this one, and then once you hit it, it would put it on top of the logo. And that's how you change the logo. Don't forget to hit save and back. And then you can add the content. So this is, again, we click the end, we see all the different playlists. These are all grayed out. All the grayed out ones are the ones that we change automatically. This is the only one that is active on your end. And you can see in here we've got to the table, car accidents, website, vitamin D. Can't remember what that one is. Oh, a different one. Okay. So anyway, if you wanted to change anything in here, you just open the pages section and you literally, if you're tired of the vitamin, you just drag it out, let go, and it will stop playing. If you create something up top and you want to drag it in, you literally just drag it down on top of the film strip and it will add it to the loop. If it's a video, like this one, Purifier, we can hit edit and it brings up again, the graphic design engine. You can click on anything in here. Once you click on the video, again, the items on the left become the active layers, so you can swap it out for a different YouTube video. If you don't have any audio, you can turn on the closed captioning. If you only wanted to play a little section in the middle, you would turn this one off, and then in the playlist section, we can say only play for 30 seconds. And again, if you wanted to swap out your logo, you would just click on it, select the image, select the new logo, and it will automatically put it where you want it, and then you can resize it as big or as small as you want. Okay, don't forget to save and go back. And that's where I left off. Once I get the Valentine's one, I will create it and drop it in here so that you can see it. If you want to, you can certainly go in at any time, click any of these and drag them out if you're tired of the particular vitamin D. Or we have a whole bunch under the drop-down arrow here. You can create a whole bunch from samples. So we're going to run samples page. Here's a bunch of social media ones. There's some holiday ones. I don't know if we have any Valentine's ones in there. If you wanted to add your own Valentine's, we can actually go. It's not showing. I have another. You're supposed to be able to get to another database, from another dashboard. Up here we go. Seasonal messages. And then we have a whole bunch of things you can pick from in here. And in here somewhere are our Valentine's ones. There they are. So you just double click on it, brings it into your pages section, drop it into your custom playlist anywhere you want. You can bring it in multiple times. And then if you just exit, it'll automatically save it. I'll just leave it in there for once. And we close. And I think that's covering everything. So basically you go into the channel section at the bottom. You can see what playlists are there. You can drag any of these out as well. Literally drag it out of the list and let go, and it won't play that playlist anymore. So hopefully I answered some questions for you. I'm tending to rabble here, so I will end it here. Thanks.